Walking around on the frame of this thing is getting old. It's time to lay down the subfloor. What I'm doing here is cutting the subfloor material to size, rolling out a thin sheet of insulation, and then I'm using aluminum sheeting between the steel frame and the insulation. Later I'll staple the aluminum to the underside of the subfloor and seal up the seams the best I can. But this creates a new potential issue, and for that you'll want to look into something called galvanic corrosion, or bimetal corrosion. Galvanic corrosion occurs when two dissimilar metals, like aluminum sheeting and the steel frame, or the screws I'm using, are immersed in some type of conductive solution, so in this case water, mud, the elements. So I want to create as much separation or protection from the elements as possible. I decided to slow this threat by painting the frame, but then I got hasty and I failed to treat all the metal. So maybe I'll see some corrosion over the years, but I doubt it will be too much of a problem. Time will tell. At this point, I realized that given the thickness of the material I was using for the subfloor and the gaps in the steel frame, I was going to experience some significant flexing when I stepped on parts of the floor, and that wasn't going to cut it. So I needed to add some bracing here and there. I marked the walls on center of the steel frame, so once the subfloor was covering the frame, I would know where to screw things down. now that that's done, I'll show you what I did to fix that saggy roof, and we'll start some framing. I'll see you next time.